Now these are the inna and its sisters. You have to remember them. Inna, anna, ka anna, bi anna, li anna, lakinna, layta, la'alla. Okay. So keep on repeating this yourself. And whenever I am taking these classes, you remember them. And repeat with me loudly on your side. Inna, anna, ka anna, bi anna, li anna, lakinna, layta, la'alla. Okay. So today we are going to talk about another is akhawat, one of the another ukhtu inna, and that is anna, or actually to be more specific, it will be li anna. So as you have seen the meaning in the previous slide, the meaning of anna is that. Okay, the meaning of anna is that. So I don't have to tell this rule. So ismu inna will be mansoob, right? And ismu in anna and ismu inna will together form the mubtada container. Okay, and this li anna is formed from anna itself. This li anna is formed from anna itself. So li is actually harfu jar. Li is harfu jar. And when anna comes with li, it becomes li anna. So the meaning of anna is that. But when it comes li that, li anna, the meaning becomes because. The meaning becomes because. Is it clear? So anna means that, li anna means because. So this itself, li anna itself, is harfu nasab. So it will also have its own ism, and we will call it as ismu li anna. We will call it as ismu li anna. It will behave exactly like inna. It will behave exactly like ka, lakinna, whatever you have learned. Ka anna. So it will be same. Okay. So again, it will also have pronouns attached to that. And when the pronoun is attached to that, what is that pronoun? What is that pronoun? The damir gets attached. It is ismu li anna. Good. Damir muttasil. So it is ismu li anna. Good. So li annahu, li annahuma, li annahum, li annaha, li annahuma, li annahunna, li annaka, li annakuma, li annakum, li annaki, li annakuma, li annakunna, li anni, and li annani, both are valid, and li annana. Okay, it is difficult on the tongue, but you can remember li annani, li annana. Okay, now let's see some of the examples of lianna. ما ذهبت إلى المدرسة اليوم لأنني مريض. Okay, so I did not go to the school today because I am sick. لأنني because I am sick. Okay, so لأنني ya mutakallim becomes ismu li anna. Ya mutakallim becomes ismu li anna. Okay. Actually, ni, and this is what this is a protective noon. You know that protective noon. Okay. Now, how will you do the analysis of this? This is what kind of jumla is this? Filia, good. And ma is harfu nafi. So basically it is negating everything. Ma negates everything. So dhahabtu means this is fail and file. I went. إلى المدرسة متعلق بالفعل. اليوم مفعول فيه today. Okay. So when it is maf'ul bihi and when it is maf'ul fihi, when it is maf'ul bihi, when there is the answer is when it answers to what and who, and when it is maf'ul fihi, then what is it answers to which questions, when and where. Good. So this is answering your, it is answering when here. Okay. لأنني مريض, because I am sick. Okay. So this is Ismu لأن and this is خبر لأن. This is خبر لأن. ما خرجت من البيت لأن الجو بارد. I did not left from house because the weather is cold. Because the weather is cold. Okay, al-jawwun means weather. Okay, al-jawwu means weather. Jawwun means weather. So this is lianna, because of lianna it becomes mansub. Al-jawwa it becomes. So ma kharajtu min al-bayti lianna al-jawwa baridun. Lianna al-jawwa baridun. Okay. So this is what? This is baridun is khabaru la inna. لأن. ذهب إلى المستشفى اليوم لأنه مريض. He went to the hospital today because he was sick. A similar sentence, right? زرتك الآن لأنك مسافر. زرتك. So زرت. Okay, we will cover this in Sarf, inshallah, a lot of phase. So Zara means to meet. So zurtuka means, zurtu means I met. Zurtuka means I met you today or now. Al-ana means now. I met you now. لأنك, because you are traveling. لأنك مسافر, because you are traveling. Okay. رجعت آمنة من المدرسة لأنها مريضة. Okay. Amina returned from school because she's sick. Okay. Any difficulty? Okay, so what we will do is we will now stop here and we will do the practice of the surf. And I want you, whatever is, because I don't want you to forget surf. Surf is very important. And I will just open the surf practice slides. Okay. So, ثلاثي مجرد. This is all you learned till now. Till ism file. No, actually you finish majhul also. Okay, you finish majhul also. So repeat with me. Nasara yansuru nasran or nusratan fahuwa nasirun. Nusira yunsaru nasran or nusratan. Okay. Daraba yadribu darban فهو ضارب ضرب يضرب ضربا فتح يفتح فتحا فهو فاتح فتح يفتح فتحا. So this should become very easy on your tongue. Karuma yakrumu karamatan fahuwa karimun. Samia yasma'u sam'an fahuwa sami'un. Sumia yusma'u sam'an. Hasiba yahsibu hisaban fahuwa hasibun. Husiba yuhsabu hisaban. Okay. Again, repeat with me loudly. Nasara yansuru nasran or nusratan fahuwa nasirun. Nusira yunsaru nasran or nusratan. Again, I'm going to repeat same thing. Nasara yansuru nasran or nusratan fahuwa nasirun. Nusira yunsaru nasran or nusratan. Okay. Second bab. Daraba yadribu darban fahuwa daribun. Duriba yudrabu darban. Again, repeat. I will repeat. Daraba yadribu darban fahuwa daribun. Duriba yudrabu darban. Third bab. Fataha yaftahu fathan fahuwa fatihun. Futiha yuftahu fathan. I will repeat again. Fataha yaftahu fathan fahuwa fatihun. Futiha yuftahu fathan. Okay. Karuma yakrumu karamatan fahuwa karimun. Then it doesn't have majhul. So we'll go to the second one. Samia yasma'u sam'an fahuwa sami'un. Sumia yusma'u sam'an. I will repeat again. Samia yasma'u sam'an fahuwa sami'un. Sumia yusma'u sam'an. The last one. Hasiba yahsibu hisaban fahuwa hasibun. Husiba yuhsabu hisaban. Again, hasiba yahsibu hisaban fahuwa hasibun. Husiba yuhsabu hisaban. Brothers and sisters, I am trusting you. Those at least people who have memorized them, don't look at the slides and see if you can read with me. Okay. And make sure that where you are mistaken. Okay. Nasara yansuru nasran or nusratan fahuwa nasirun. Nusira yunsaru nasran or nusratan. Daraba yadribu darban fahuwa daribun. Duriba yudrabu darban. Fataha yaftahu fathan fahuwa fatihun. Futiha yuftahu fathan. Karuma yakrumu karamatan fahuwa karimun. Sami'a yasma'u sam'an fahuwa sami'un. Sumi'a yusma'u sam'an. Hasiba yahsibu hisaban fahuwa hasibun. Husiba yuhsabu hisaban. Okay. I hope you are memorizing at least some of them. I do not expect all of you to remember them. Again, practice it again one more time. Nasara yansuru nasran or nusratan fahuwa nasirun. Nusira yunsaru nasran or nusratan. Daraba yadribu darban fahuwa daribun. Duriba yudrabu darban. Fataha yaftahu fathan fahuwa fatihun. Futiha yuftahu fathan. Karuma yakrumu karamatan fahuwa karimun. Sami'a yasma'u sam'an fahuwa sami'un. Sumi'a yusma'u sam'an. Hasiba yahsibu hisaban fahuwa hasibun. Husiba yuhsabu hisaban. Okay. Now the mazid fi. Okay. Okay, repeat with me. Aslama yuslimu islaman fahuwa muslimun. Uslima yuslamu islaman. Actually, brothers, it will become very easy on your tongue. Just keep on repeating this. Again, repeat with me. Aslama yuslimu islaman fahuwa muslimun. Uslima yuslamu islaman. Okay. Second. Allama yu'allimu ta'liman fahuwa mu'allimun. Ullima yu'allamu ta'liman. Again, one more time. Allama yu'allimu ta'liman fahuwa mu'allimun. Ullima yu'allamu ta'liman. Number 3. jahada yujahidu jihadan or mujahadatan fahuwa mujahidun. Juhida yujahadu jihadan or mujahadatan. Again, one more time. Jahada yujahidu jihadan or mujahadatan fahuwa mujahidun. Juhida yujahadu mujahadatan or jihadan. Okay. Number 4. Ta'allama yata'allamu ta'alluman fahuwa muta'allimun. Tu'allima yuta'allamu ta'alluman. Okay. Maybe this is little bit difficult for you on time, but practice it. تعلم يتعلم تعلما فهو متعلم. تعلم يتعلم تعلما. Again, one more time. تعلم يتعلم تعلما فهو متعلم. تعلم يتعلم تعلما. Okay. تساءل now. تساءل يتساءل تساؤلا فهو متسائل. تسوئل يتساءل تساؤلا. Again, one more time. تساءل يتساءل تساؤلا فهو متسائل. تسوئل يتساءل تساؤلا. One more time. تساءل يتساءل تساؤلا فهو متسائل. تسوئل يتساءل تساؤلا. Okay. Number 6. اقترب يقترب اقترابا فهو مقترب. اقترب يقترب اقترابا. One more time. اقترب يقترب اقترابا فهو مقترب. اقترب يقترب اقترابا. Okay. 7th is easy. انقلب ينقلب انقلابا فهو منقلب. That's it. Last one. استغفر يستغفر استغفارا فهو مستغفر. استغفر يستغفر استغفارا. One more time. استغفر يستغفر استغفارا فهو مستغفر. استغفر يستغفر استغفارا. Okay, one more last time. استغفر يستغفر استغفارا فهو مستغفر. استغفر يستغفر استغفارا. Okay. Inshallah, one more time, one division. Aslama yuslimu islaman fahuwa muslimun. Uslima yuslimu islaman. Allama yuallimu ta'liman fahuwa muallimun. Ullima yuallamu ta'liman. Jahada yujahidu jihadan aw mujahadatan fahuwa mujahidun. Juhida yujahadu jihadan aw mujahadatan. تعلم يتعلم تعلما فهو متعلم. تعلم يتعلم تعلما. تساءل يتساءل تساؤلا فهو متسائل. تسوئل يتساءل تساؤلا. اقترب يقترب اقترابا فهو مقترب. اقترب يقترب اقترابا. انقلب ينقلب انقلابا فهو منقلب. استغفر يستغفر استغفارا فهو مستغفر. استغفر يستغفر استغفارا. Inshallah, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we will continue with the concepts of lesson 4 and 5. The concept that I'm taking now is for 2 lessons, lesson 4 and lesson 5. Once we finish those concepts, we will straight away take 2 lessons consecutively. Okay. So tomorrow we will continue with that. See you then tomorrow. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Jazakumullahu khairan. Barakallahu.